Hello foodies, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, we're making something incredibly delicious, air fryer spring rolls. We're introducing you a healthier alternative as equally tasty as the deep fry ones. These little beauties are jam-packed with delicious well-seasoned ground pork, vibrant veggies, tofu, and all the good stuff. Dip these babies in a sweet chili sauce for that extra kick, and you got yourself a delicious party appetizer or snack that you can enjoy without that heavy oil. So let's get started and start cooking. We will start by making the fillings by adding 2 tablespoons of avocado oil to a hot wok. Mince 4 cloves of garlic. Cook the garlic for a few seconds. Next, add 500 grams of ground pork. Stir the pork until it is almost done. Now we will add some veggies by shredding 1 cup of carrot. Next, finely cut 2 cups of Napa Cabbage. You can also use any type of cabbage you have. Let's add wood ear mushrooms, or you can use Shiitake mushroom, and slice them into small pieces. Continue cooking until the vegetables are wilted. Next, pat dry and dice 200 grams of firm tofu. This is an optional ingredient that we add, since we enjoy the chewiness. Continue cooking for 2 to 3 minutes. In the meantime, we can prepare the sauce. We can start by adding 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing or cooking wine. Next, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of Hoisin Sauce, 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Finally, add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, which will act as a glue to hold the filling together. And mix thoroughly. Then simply pour the sauce over the fillings. Give it a good mix. Season with salt as needed. Finally, chop 2 to 3 stalks of green onion. Sprinkle with green onions, turn off the heat, and let the filling cool to room temperature. For these spring rolls, we decided to use rice paper sheets, since they are gluten-free. However, feel free to use regular spring roll sheets if that is your preference. After we soak the rice paper, place about 3 tablespoons of the fillings near one end of the sheet. Then fold one end of the paper over the fillings. Fold the left edge over the right up against the edge of the filling. Then fold the right edge over, like an envelope. Finish by continuing roll tightly until the flap seals itself against the roll. Next, brush the spring rolls lightly with oil. Then air fry the spring rolls at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes, flipping halfway through. If you prefer to deep fry them to make them even more crispy, Make sure to pour about 2 inches of oil in a large skillet and fry at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's it. It's so simple, right? They are the perfect savory snacks that you can just nibble on. The best part is that these rolls are healthier twists on the classic deep-fried version, and they are packed with flavorful medley of ingredients. Just take a closer look at one of these golden beauties. With that said, we would like to thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this easy spring roll recipe. If you do, please give us a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. Until then, we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.
It's gonna be all